Okay, so got the left side of the yard put away, and I've started this side. Got most of the tombstones put away. Started the fencing here, it's gone. So mostly just my larger props and pneumatic. Got my pneumatics still out in my crypt. So gonna keep plugging away. I probably won't put this thing away today. I may leave it out a little bit. I'm thinking about kind of trying to keep it together a little bit and putting it in the backyard and building a canopy over it so I can actually work on it throughout the season. We'll see. I'm not sure because there's so much more I want to do to it. I really just kind of threw it together for Halloween this year. That way I didn't go another Halloween without it. But I definitely want to paint it with high gloss black paint, finish all this detailing work, because you know I didn't do it. I just have it kind of in certain places. Lots of trim work to do. I want to do some detailing in here, and still have to finish building his seat, all that kind of stuff. But anyways, for now I'm putting away the yard. Anybody wants to come help, go ahead and come over right now. Where you going, lizard? It's a coffin. You don't want to be in a coffin. Oh no, stuck in the web. Ah! Alright, so last year I bought one of these phoenixes from Target, and got one yesterday at the after Halloween sale. So now I have a pair. So those will go on top of my arch next year. So I'm actually going to get rid of the cemetery arch and make another one. So that'll be a project for next year. So I will be selling this arch. If anyone is in the Round Rock, Pflugerville, or anywhere that's willing to come get it, if you want to buy it, it's gonna be for sale. Have no idea how much I'll sell it for. It lights up. It's all styrofoam and a little bit of wood. You know, it's scratched up and dented, but I think that adds to the character of stuff. I usually let my stuff kind of stay dinged up because it just looks creepier. But that cemetery arch is wondering, this is how much greenery, like fake greenery, that I use on top of the big pile of real brush that I used. This is about 2/3 of what I have. I didn't use it all. And I use about 2 tubs of peat moss to hang in the trees and on the front fence and all that stuff. So I make sure I gather it back up each season, and I put it back in a tub, and it's good for next year. So, a tip brought to you by people. Steve's Haunted Yard. Steve's Haunted Yard is gone, except for the hearse. I'm not going to probably take that down today. Got that down. Showed you guys already. Got all this down. Got the debris piled up. Trying to organize. I'll probably need to mow. Grass is a little crazy. So, yep. You're next, sucker.
Please subscribe today.